Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Now, on Fridays, what do we always do? We have math, we have snack, and then we have our spelling test. Don't forget to log on to Spelling City and take your spelling test today. I'm going to leave it open through the weekend, just in case you're playing catch up, but if you're here on Friday, why not take the weekend off and take that spelling test today, especially if you've done the practice throughout the week, right? Okay, so let's get started on our good morning handwriting. What is today? Friday. And what letter does Friday start with? F. F, R, I, day. Of what month? March. M, A, R, C, H. March what? Yesterday was the 26th, so today is the 27th, comma, and 2020 is the year. Great job, guys. And I'm just going to angle this so you can maybe see it a little better. All right, is that any better? There we go. If you need to pause the video now to take this down onto your good morning handwriting, do that and then come back for stations. Okay, can you please tell me what coin this is? It's a quarter. And how much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. How about this coin? What is it called? It's a dime. How much is a dime worth? 10 cents. And this coin? This coin is a nickel, and it's worth 5 cents. How much is this coin worth? This is a penny, and it's worth 1 cent. Can you tell me how much money is in this piggy bank? I'll give you a hint. It's half of $1. What is half of a dollar? 50 cents. 2 quarters is worth 50 cents. How much money is in this piggy bank? What coins do you see? What coin is this? A dime. And what coin is this? A nickel. So a dime is worth 10 cents plus a nickel, which is worth 5. What is 10 plus 5? It's too big for our fingers, so get the number 10 in your head and show me 5 on your fingers. Now count up from 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 plus 5 is 15. There are 15 cents in this piggy bank. How much money is in this piggy bank? What are all of these coins? They're dimes, so they're worth how much? 10 cents, so we can count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 plus 5. So keep counting up from 50
5 times. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So 50 plus 5 is 55. How many blocks are here? How many do you see in the hundreds place? How many do you see in the tens place? How many do you see in the ones place? $147. 147. 147. Let's try another one. How many do you see in this hundreds place? And the tens? And the ones? Two, 1, 2. 212. 2 hundreds, 1 10, and 2 ones is 212. Whoa, this is a big number. Do you think you can figure this one out? How many are in the hundreds? And the tens? And the ones? Four hundreds, 4 tens, and 5 ones. So that means there are 445. 445. 445. Can you tell me what time it says on this clock? Where is the little hand pointing? How about the big hand? The little hand is pointing at the 5. So that tells us there are 5 hours. And the big hand is pointing at the 2. So when we count by 5s, 5, 10, we find out that there are 10 minutes. So the time is 5, 10. What time does it say on this clock? Where is the little hand pointing? And the big hand? The little hand is pointing between 1 and 2. So what are the hours? 1. It is 1. How many minutes? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 1:35. Let's try one more. What time does this clock say? Where is the little hand pointing? And the big hand? The little hand is pointing at the 6. So that tells us there are 6 hours. And the big hand is pointing at the 12, which means o'clock. So the time is 6 o'clock. Very good.